this is our villa. This is gorgeous. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is coming up the way to our villa. We are essentially in the jungle, and we were told that we were going to see hummingbirds in the morning and possibly hear the monkeys do their monkeying. So yeah, we're in the thick of things. This is pretty darned gorgeous. Look, we even have an umbrella out here because, rainforest. Just kind of looking back at our path here. And here we have our beautiful bathroom that is ginormous. Look at that. I'm going to stand back so you can see everything. It is ginormous. It's basically 2 bathrooms in one. Got a full-length mirror, which is what I was missing at the condo. Got one sink over here. Here is the huge shower with the double rain shower head. Look at that. It's pretty darn big. And check this out. Out here, we have an outdoor shower. Look at that. I've never showered outside. I might try it, because why not? You don't get to shower naked often outside and not get arrested. So this is good stuff. So I might try that. And let's go back inside here. Here, this is a closet. It's got a robe, some slippers. That's one closet. This is the luggage area. It has 2 racks that we can put our luggage up on, so that's not going to be a hot steaming mess. And this is the other side of the bathroom. So we have our shower again from this side. We have the heated towel rack. Take a peek outside. And then over here, here's our bathroom. We have a little cosmetics area. Here is the mini bar. This is pretty nice. Just about everything comes with the room except for those 4 bottles of alcohol. The fridge is stocked with drinks. There's the potty. This is another closet, full-size closet. Also has a robe and slippers in it. So this is kind of a perfect kind of couples retreat. So we're going to enjoy this. And look at this coming into the bedroom. Dun, dun, dun. Look at these pretty floors. Nice and shiny. There is the bed. And we have a living room space. Look at that. Look at that pretty chandelier. Look at the ceiling. So if you come over here, you can see that that's just like a wall that goes over the entire thing, the ceiling. And this is our thing. But check this out. This is perfect. This is our patio. Look at this beautiful thing. Dun, dun, dun. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we have our own little private pool. Got a hammock. And look at this. Not only is this a pool, this is a heated pool that runs off of the hot springs coming from the volcano. So we have the Arenal volcano that is nearby. And this water runs, this is a heated pool that runs from the hot springs of the volcano. So you turn on the jets, turn it off. Maybe you'll take a dip later, but look at this. This is gorgeous. And they'll bring breakfast to you, so that's also just part of the room. Part of room cost, nothing particularly special. Okay. You got your hammock, and then you can kind of see the bedroom from here. It's really gorgeous. So this resort is an adults only resort, and it has 2 sides. There is the adult side, and then there is the side for families. And we are of course staying on the adult side, but there's a connector to the side for the families as well. So we think we're going to really enjoy it here. This is pretty perfect and the kind of vacation we really needed coming out of COVID. that's kind of a really stunning place to be. So you can just kind of take a look around again. Close the door because apparently the mosquitoes like to have a good time around this time of day, just like at home. So you got all the amenities. Everybody's super nice. There are golf carts to get you around, basically catered to you. And just another spin to see everything. And this is Nyara Springs in RNL, just right outside La Fortuna. Alrighty, y'all. We'll holler.